viewers, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get the notifications of my latest videos, and do not forget to like and share the video. Today we are going to learn about electric charges. In our previous video, in the introduction part, we learned what is electric charge and the two types of electric charges, right? The link would be shown at the top of the screen. Go watch it if you haven't yet watched the video. Okay, so now let us get into the topic of electric charges. Now, what is electric charge? It is the basic property of matter. Basic property of matter that causes it to experience a force whenever it is placed in an electromagnetic field, okay? Electric, magnetic or electromagnetic field. It experiences a force, okay? Now, we know that charges are of two types. What are they? Positive and negative. Charges are of two types, positive and negative. And what is the charge on a single electron? What is the charge on a single electron? Okay, we will learn what is the charge on a single electron. It is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Because electrons carry negative charges, I have written minus over here. And what is the charge on a single proton? What is the charge on a single proton? It's plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, protons are positively charged bodies, electrons are negatively charged bodies. Now let us see the history of electric charge. Who discovered electric charge and how it came into being, alright? The history of charge discovery. Once upon a time, long ago, there lived this man named Thales of Miletus. And where is Miletus? It is in Greece, okay? It is in Greece. So what he discovered is when amber is rubbed with wool or silk, it attracts light objects, and that's how charges were discovered. And when did this happen? It really happened a long time ago, in 600 BC, before Christ, even before we all were born. Our friend Thales just gave us the basic idea or the basic notion of electric charges, right? But it was the scientist Charles Dufay, okay? Charles Dufay, who discovered the two types of charges. The two types of charges was discovered by the scientist Charles Dufay, but it was our mastermind Benjamin Franklin who named the two charges as positive and negative. You get it? Let me tell it again. It was Thales who gave us the basic idea of charges, okay, or the basic notion of charges. Then it was Charles Dufay who discovered two types of charges, but the name of the two types of charges was given by Benjamin Franklin. We know what electricity is, right? Electricity is a form of energy and it is produced by the flow of electric charges. We just came across the definition of electricity in our previous video of introduction. Alright, so we know what electricity is, and you should be knowing that electricity comes from the Greek word electron. take care of the spelling, okay? We know the spelling of electrons as this, C, but over here you should be writing K, okay? The Greek word electron, which means amber. We just saw that our friend Thales discovered charges, right? And he said that whenever amber is rubbed with wool or silk, it attracts light objects. So that's how the word electricity also came into being by the word electron, Greek word electron, which means amber. The last and the most important fact that you should be knowing about charges or electric current is their SI unit. Okay, the SI unit should be known. So what is the SI unit of electric charge? It is coulomb. Okay, coulomb. And what is the symbol? It is capital C. And what is the SI unit of electric current? It is ampere. And what is the symbol? Capital A. Meet you with the next video with more exciting stuff.